2025 and every other year would have been a monumentally epic year. It started off with saying goodbye, and then a series of decisions which culminated in where we are right now.
Do you want to smile? Look like you're excited.
I'm excited.
So excited. She is.
The hardest part is always the start. So as my old man used to say, why don't you just start from the beginning?
Been back for 2 months now, and we're moving on to our second residence. What do you reckon?
What should we call the bed?
Well, I thought we'd settled on Bluey. Welcome to our new space. Living, working, filming. Just got to clean it up a little bit, and then we'll be ready to roll.
12 months on, and life looks very different.
Right, we're playing. Where'd it go?
Hello, we hope you're well. If you're new here, thanks for joining us, and if you're returning, then welcome back. It has been a very long time since we last gave everyone a bit of an update, probably about a year ago now.
Even longer, I would say. But first of all, Merry Christmas.
Yes, hope you're doing well. Happy holidays.
Yeah, as you can see, we are not in the sunshine state. We are far, far south of that. And we are also in a different circumstance to what potentially you may have seen us in last. But this is essentially a fresh start for us.
Yes.
It's been a bit of a long and winding journey to get to where we are now. There's been a lot of up and a lot of down over the last couple of years, which has culminated in us essentially changing up our lifestyle something dramatically.
Yeah, definitely.
So if you'd come to me 5 years ago and said you will own a Mercedes Sprinter van, I would have said you're dreaming. That was not on the cards. Even maybe 2 years ago.
Even? Yeah. Yeah.
So to cut a long story short, we are inside our new home. New to you, maybe. I don't know who follows us on Instagram, but we have been reasonably active in the last little while. So it's been about 7 months. We've been living in our Mercedes Sprinter van home. We bought it in November 24. And then we moved into it in February 25. And we have been traveling up and down, trying to figure things out. And we've done a bit of filming, but only up until recently have we decided to commit to this lifestyle full time. So yeah, I don't know where do we go from there. Essentially, that's cut.
Yeah. I love that you give me the hard bit. You just come in and be like, boom, boom, boom. And then he's like, okay, great. Now for the hard part. Here you go.
That's what I do. It's my best work at hand there.
So the why. The why we...
The ever important why.
Yes, why we returned to travel, why we chose to live full-time on the road, and...
Why this platform.
Why this platform, and why. Basically, we feel that we have a lot of unfinished business. There's a lot of traveling and a lot of events and a lot of things we want to tackle outside of Brisbane. We have massive goals with how we want to live our lives and the flexibility and... What am I trying to say? I feel like I'm trying to word this, but I'm kind of jumping 3 steps ahead.
To cut to the quick of it, we're not ready to settle down.
Yeah.
We're not ready to buy a property just yet in terms of like the forever house and you know the white picket fence. And like Caitlin said, there's a lot of unfinished business for us out on the road. This is everything that the FJ is not. And for those of you who watched us on our lap of Australia, we thank you, and we loved it. There was lots of ups, lots of downs, but there were certain key elements that it was missing. One was the ability to earn money. We weren't interested, it might be a harsh word, but essentially is interested in sort of settling down in one area, working, and then kind of moving along from place to place every like 3 to 6 months. And 2 was the livability and retreatability that we couldn't get in, and you know, a 4-wheel drive with a rooftop tent, what you couldn't get. Oh, that's a gigantic bee. Oh, that is the fattest bumblebee I've ever seen in my life.
That is a massive bee. Oh my god.
The door's open and a fat bumblebee's just rolled on in. Look at him.
Oh my god, he's on the mic. He's on the mic. Oh, he's going. Oh no, he's going. Oh, you might get him. Oh, he literally was like, see ya.
He's gone. Hang on, let me put you back.
That's so funny.
That's quite a lot.
Basically,
Where were we?
This van gives us everything that the FJ couldn't in terms...
In some ways, and some other things it doesn't get us quite where the FJ left off. To us, we're interested in many things. We're not just 4-wheel drivers, we're not just hikers, we're not just bikers. We love a bit of everything, and that's just who we are. For better or for worse, if we wanted to be probably the most successful at one thing, this probably isn't the way we'd go about doing it, but we are who we are and we love all of this, and we wanted to, you know, hit the road, see the best of Australia and around the world. We wanted to be able to work, earn an income, and we wanted to be able to live comfortably.
Yeah.
And so we searched long and hard for that platform. We've towed, we've rooftop tented, we've swagged, we've tented, and then we've now vanned. And what we landed on was this 2018 mid-wheel base Mercedes Sprinter, and we love it.
Absolutely love it.
And it is essentially our mobile base camp. We can live, we can work, we can expedition, we can adventure.
Yeah, we call it our apartment on wheels because it has, if you can think of what a little apartment has, this van has it. Bit condensed, but it has it.
What we love most in life at the moment is the adventure. So we really want to be able to get to those places that get us the most adventurous.
What we're trying to do at the moment is do things we've never done before. We really enjoy pushing ourselves to the limits or trying to find what our limit is. That's why we love the hiking and the biking. Physically, we love being outdoors and we love doing hard things. And so this whole thing is about taking on a new adventure, pushing ourselves to the limit and trying new things. And next year we have a whole bunch of exciting opportunities and adventures coming up that we hope to share with you all.
And essentially, we're starting from zero. We're starting from scratch. We're not the elite. We're not the most hectic or the most epic. We're starting from scratch. And the whole point of the videos initially was to just, document for our friends and loved ones the travels around the country. And we kind of fell in love with doing that. And we also love, as Caitlin said, pushing ourselves and seeing what we're capable of. So it's essentially building blocks on top of each other to be able to get to the awesome places to do the epic and cool things. And we hope that you guys feel that with us, and that's essentially the whole point of this sort of season we're in. And it's to do those things and to get to, the next level and be outside in this magical country that we call home.
Yeah.
But we're also not limiting it just to Australia. We want to go overseas, and we've got, as Caitlin said, lots of plans to do those things, but it's baby steps.
Baby steps, yeah. Got to start small, and it'll be a mix of all those adventures and just, just us and our lives in general, and sharing that with you all, and taking everyone along for the journey.
When we're talking to you and releasing this now on Christmas, it's been about 7 months of us living in here.
Yeah.
And we can't wait to show you everything we've done. We've done some filming. If you've been following along, we've been overseas for a couple of months there in the middle of the year, and now we're back and we're going to hit the road. And we've done about 10,000 Ks already, and we've got a lot more to go. And we hope you really follow along and enjoy the ride with us.
Yeah.
You want to say that next year? Go! Say it!
I was going to say... I just tripped over the surfboard. Please subscribe if you're interested in following along, or if you're enjoying our videos, because it will really help grow our channel, and it really helps us with our videos, and hopefully eventually expanding our, what do you want to call it? Our
Empire.
That's so grand. I feel like our...
Well, essentially, Caitlin and I have a bet. We get to a certain level, Caitlin gets a puppy. So you don't want Caitlin not to get a puppy.
I really want a puppy, and I have to do so much to get to that point. But also, I just want us to grow this, because this is something that we both really, really, really want to make into something big and that we can keep continuing on with. So yeah, if you're interested and you are loving the videos and you want to follow along, please subscribe and make sure to like the video.
Thank you, and bye. Oh.